The 2003 Chevrolet Corvette C5, once a symbol of speed, freedom, and unforgettable memories. But now it sits still. Parked for years, covered in dust, its bright yellow paint faded and lifeless. Scratches mark its surface. The shine is gone. The energy it once carried feels distant, almost forgotten. For her, this car was never just a machine. It was a memory, a connection to the past, something she couldn't let go. So instead of leaving it behind, she made a decision to bring it back. The restoration begins quietly. Layers of dust are washed away, revealing the body beneath. Every panel is cleaned with care, as if restoring something more than just metal. Then the transformation starts. The paint is corrected, refined, and brought back to life. That iconic yellow returns, bright, bold, and full of energy. Scratches disappear. Reflections come back stronger than ever. Inside, the cabin is refreshed. Details are cleaned, surfaces restored, and the feeling returns. Piece by piece, the Corvette begins to breathe again. And then, the moment, the reveal. She sees it, not as it was, but as it should have always been. The 2003 Chevrolet Corvette C5, shining, alive and full of life once again. And in that moment, it's not just a car that's restored. It's a feeling, a memory, brought back to life.